Read now book for the grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? Your English teacher is here from Ummul Qura Public School, Junior Branch MTC. Students, our topic is what is fright. It's your class assignment that today we will do word sentences on the notebook. Okay students, open your notebooks, maintain the page, mark margin line. Your writing should be neat and clean. Today is Tuesday, 25th May 2021. Students, when you maintain the page, first of all, you will write exercise to make sentences of given words. Don't forget to write day, date, and topic, make sentences of given word. Sentence number 1 is seaside. I went to seaside. I went to seaside. Number 2, holiday. Today is holiday. Students, as you know, the sentences are mixtures of words, and you can also make sentences by yourself. I am giving you just for examples some sentences, and you can make sentences by your own. Number 3, tired. I am too much tired. You can make this sentence by yourself. Number 4, board. I have a wooden board. I like board. This is a very beautiful board. You can make any sentence, students. Number 5, ship. I saw a pirate ship. I like pirate ship. The pirate ship was in the sea. You can make sentences by yourself. Number 6, chief. My father is chief of army. So student, don't forget to put full stop in end of the sentence. I forgot. You have to write the full stop in end of the sentence. Jumped. The dog jumped over the log. What you will write? The dog jumped over the log. Number 8, dream. I saw a dream. Number 9, fierce. The tiger was very fierce. Number 10, upset. My mother is upset. Students, number 11, walk. I like morning walk. Then students, now you have to maintain the page Tuesday 25th May 2021. Topic is what are fright. Exercise number 2, make sentences. There are some serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are words and there are sentences. Maintain the page like this. Don't forget to draw margin line. Number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11. I will share you the images and you have to write these sentences on your notebook neat and clean. Okay students, as before I told you that the sentences are mixture of words and you can make sentences by yourself. This is very easy work and you can do very easily. You can make sentences by yourself. Today is Tuesday 25th May 2021. Now maintain the page for the dictation line. Dictation line number 9. Number 1, closely. Number 2, wondered. Number 3, kindness. Number 4, instead. Number 5, happened. It's your home assignment that learn classwork and also dictation line number 10. Okay students, till then tomorrow we will meet inshallah. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day students.